Hi everybody, thank you for joining us today. Here we are at Arc Reclamation, where we have just finished cataloguing about 500 lots ready for auction. You'll see a complete wide range of fireplaces, doors, door furniture, tiles, stained glass, a real eclectic mix of everything else in between all those items. The sale is on the 3rd of November. You can come and view the week prior, but if you can't make that, call Justin and the team here at Arc Reclamation because they'll probably be able to fit you in. They're open every day anyway, but it's always good to call ahead. But the official viewing is the week before the 3rd of November. Great question. So you can come and view on the 28th of October, which is a Saturday. You can also view during the week following. The sale day is on the Friday. There'll be some viewing on the Friday, but everybody will be busy bidding at that point. The sale is online only, so you can only buy by visiting the website, by tuning in live. You'll see probably me and one other auctioneering throughout the day. But viewing is really important. If you do want something out of it, it's really important you come and view it. It's all sold as seen. Well, I like anything galvanised, so something like this I'd be more than happy with. If I was looking to do up my workshop, I'd be buying something like this. This is a great cabinet, great storage, extremely vintage, and that, for your information, is lot number 171. I talked about that cabinet being one of my personal favourite lots of the auction, but this is also another one, the Stingray. It obviously needs a bit of restoration, but what a cool thing. I mean, if you're into bikes or vintage bikes or chopper bikes, this is one for you. It's certainly one I'll be keeping an eye on. If you want to get involved, you can get involved by visiting Weller's Auctions, the Sale Room or Easy Live. The sale will be broadcast across all 3 platforms, so there's plenty of variety. You can sign up. If you're already a customer of one, you can stay, or you can visit maybe another website that might be a bit cheaper for you, give you better value for money perhaps, but ultimately that doesn't matter because the stock in here is so good anyway. There's loads and loads to get your teeth into, and we hope to see you live and bidding on the sale.